What's going on, guys? This is MC Productions. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some paper airplanes, but it's going to be a bit different because each paper airplane we will make is going to be a fourth smaller. So that means four of these will fit into that, 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 and four of these will fit into that. So this one is actually the same as this one. So I guess we'll start off with that one. So yeah, let's get to it. So here is this one. Now on to the next one. Alright, you guys, so here is this one. Honestly, for some reason it was actually kind of easier to make this one than the bigger one. So I wonder if it'll be the same for the next size. So on that note, let's get to that size. Alright, you guys, so here is this size. Definitely getting smaller. And on to the next size, I guess, yeah. Alright guys, so here's the size smaller. I kind of messed up on one side, you can see that. But the next few, I think the last few I'm gonna do off camera. Because this will be entertaining to see how many times I'll worry about messing up, probably. Alright you guys, on to this size. Oh, that was lucky. Right there. Now, this fold. Oh yeah, and I'm not really sure how exact these measurements are, because I just used a ruler and paper and hope for the best. So yeah, these things might not be that accurate, but let's hope they are. Oh boy, time to use the tweezers. Tweezers did not help. Oh! I did it! Wow, that was hard. Here it is. Definitely getting small and harder. So yeah, let's get to the next one, I guess. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. This is scary building it right now. Because if I mess up, I have two options. Just not do this size, or recut it out. Oh no, I messed up, you guys. Oh boy. Well yeah, I'm not gonna redo that because I know I'm not gonna be able to. But yeah, here it is. It's definitely not gonna fly. Onto the final one. Alright guys, this one's so small it keeps on getting stuck to my finger. Alright, got the fold. Now to do next fold. Oh my gosh, did I just do it? You guys, look at this. Look how small it is. I don't even know if you can see that. Look at this. I think I did it. Wow. Well, I mean, it's kind of messed up, but it has wings. That's good. Now, it is time to test fly them. Alright, you guys, so starting off with the biggest one. This one will obviously fly. So, there's not really any point in testing it, but let's just test it anyways. Whoa, it flew. But it already crashed because I didn't really care about throwing it. Now onto the smaller one. Let's see if this will fly. Yep, flies. Now, the even smaller one, right here, flies. Whew. Now onto this one. Let's see if it flies. I'll turn you guys this way. No, it went down, but it can fly. Now we got this one, right here. Let's see if it flies. And it's stuck on my thumb. Sorta, I guess. I'll go at this angle. No, not really. Now on to the one I messed up on. It's not even focusing. But this one obviously won't fly. Yep, nope, doesn't fly. Now, on to the final, smallest one. Now I need to use tweezers to hold properly. Look at this. How small it is. This one will obviously not fly, but still, I made an extremely small paper airplane. Let's see. And it's stuck on the tweezers. So, clearly, once they got to the microscopic sizes, they wouldn't fly anymore, but still, well, let me just pick it up. Made a paper airplane that would, hold on, I'm gonna do the math really quickly, see how, where'd it go? Oh, phew. Just see how many of those would fit in one normal size paper airplane. Alright, you guys, if my math is correct, let's see. 1,024 of these can fit inside this. That is crazy. And on that note, I think that'll be it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.